In the previous lecture, we adjusted the text properties of our label. One of the properties we adjusted was the custom font and the size. Now, the custom font and size we adjusted was a font that was only available within the system fonts, so one of the standard ones. So to truly add a custom font in, we have to import it into our project and make our project aware of it and be able to read it. So you can see on the desktop here, I have a custom font which I have downloaded. So this font does not exist on my system. It's a custom font which I need to install even on my system to use in a Word document. So just like I have to install it on my system to use it, I have to install it into my project. So to do this, all I need to do is make sure it's a .ttf or .otf format and drag and drop it into our supporting files, making sure that we add to target selected to our project name with the little icon there. Make sure it's added to create groups and copy if needed in our destination. Make sure all three of those are selected. Finish that up. Then go into our info.plist and select our bottom line and press enter to create a new line, and then type out fonts provided by application. We need to add that in. Drop it down. Also drop down our supporting files. And in the string here, we need to add in the name of our new font we've added. So in my case, it's bbus new. So we do bbus new .otf, sorry. Add that in. Now our application is aware of it within the info.property list. Go to our project name and then go to build phases and make sure if we drop down our copy bundle resources that it's in there, and it is. So it's in there, our application can read it. So if we go to our main.storyboard, we're going to add in a label. So change this screen size. We're going to add in a label and just see how it works and how it displays. Now if we select our label, you can notice that our font is system at 17 there. So that's a system font there, and we can't select our custom font from there. So we have to add it in manually for our code. So what we're going to do then is quickly create an outlet for our label. So make sure we're on our .h and drag and drop in our label there. Simply name it label. There we go. So very similarly to how we added in our font, new font and size within our previous lecture, we're going to be doing the same thing. But this time we're going to be doing it within our view did load. So just after our view did load, our super view did load there, we're going to add in self.label and then .font, and then it's going to equal our bracket of UI font space font with name, and it's going to equal that symbol, 2 quotation marks, and then the name of our font, which again was bbus new. Make sure I spelled it correctly. Yes, it is. And then the font size, I'm going to do considerably quite big. Let's go for 50, and then have a bracket and a semicolon. So this code will perform when the view loads. So the user won't even notice that it's happened. It should load up straight away with our new font. So if you go to build and run and test it out, you can see as soon as it loads up with our custom font, which if we go to our main.storyboard, you can see here it just says label. Go to build and run once more. It loads up and you can see our font size is now at a size of 50, and it's displaying our custom font within our application. Now it's great displaying custom fonts because you can create and visually display kind of text and fonts and even designs that you can't normally display through the standard fonts within Xcode. So it's a great way to make your application your own and kind of set it apart from all the other apps out there with custom fonts. So if you'd like to know where to find custom fonts, I recommend a font called dafont.com. You can find some really great fonts out there. You can design and create your own, however you want to do it, but that's simply how you would install the custom fonts and display them within your application.